It's New York Fashion Week, but at the University of Memphis. Friday, the school's Black Student Association held its 42nd annual fashion show at the University Center.
The Black Student Association's been around for more than 60 years, and to keep it going, the fashion show is its main fundraiser. We have the fashion show every year. Some years it hasn't been as successful, but this year was definitely a success, and we raised a lot of money.
The fashion show brought in various clothing lines from Memphis and surrounding areas, and even as far as Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, we have some great fashion tonight. We have Stiletto Bar, we have Prepared Fashion, we have BAM Fashion, we have just tons and tons of fashion. I mean, the girls and the guys are going to be absolutely gorgeous.
It also featured local talent from Memphis, including Pat 24/7 and Pro. The annual fashion show is BSA's largest fundraiser of the year. Last year, proceeds came to only about $200. This year, it more than doubled that, making the total close to $4,000.
I think this year's fashion show was a lot better than the other one, not to downplay the last year's fashion show, but I think this one was more higher class. It had more boutiques involved, and we had more models, and I think it was a better overall show.
Co-chairman of BSA said the fashion show is more than about making money. It helps promote diversity and student involvement in campus activities. Vivian Haynes, University of Memphis, Insight News.